Hello children, welcome back to Elga-7 online class. In our last class, we have learned about preposition. Today, we are going to learn a new concept that is called connectors. Before starting our class, please make sure that you have your Elga-7 reader, Elga-7 workbook, pencil and eraser. I'll give you 5 seconds. Be ready with your things. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So children, as I told you that today we are going to learn about connectors. So what is the connectors? Connectors are words that connect two sentences or a part of sentence without changing their meaning. That is called connectors. So what is a connector? Words that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning are called connectors. So and, you all know this word and, A-N-D, and it is a connector. It connects two sentence or two part of a sentence and it won't change the meaning. That this is and, it is connector. So and used when both ideas exist and are of equal importance. Example, they have given one example. Rohan reached home and rested for some time. Rohan reached home and rested for some time. Here and is the connector. Now another connector is but. B-U-T, but. We are using these words before also. But it is connector. Used to connect unlike ideas. That when ideas are not same, they are different. Or to show connections. Sorry, or to show contradiction. Example, Mohit can swim. Mohit can swim, but here, but is the connector. But his brother cannot. So here, it has two unlike ideas, and it is showing the contradiction. Like Mohit can swim, but his brother cannot. Third connector word is or. O-R. O-R. This is also connector. It shows there is only one choice or option, either this or that. Example, we can go for a movie or a circus. We can go for a movie or a circus. Here or is the connector. So what is a connector? Connector is a word that connects two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning are called connectors. They are called connectors. It is a word that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning. Connectors are and, but, or. Now, take out your Elga-7 workbook. Open page number 102. This page number. Open this page number. Now, here question number worksheet 14. It is worksheet 14. Question number 1. Circle the connector in the passage given below. I already told you that and, or, but these are the connectors. So you have to circle those words in this passage. Both mom and I, here and both mom and you should circle. And is the connector. I went to the market. I wanted to buy a new dress for my friend's birthday party. I tried many dresses, but I did not like any of them. Here again, but is the connector, so you circle that one, B-U-T, but. At the end, I was confused. Should I buy the blue dress or the green dress? Here or is the connector, O-R. Should I buy blue dress or the green dress? So you circle or, O-R, or. My mom liked both the blue and the green dress. She left the choice to me. I choose the green one, but I think I made the wrong choice, as blue is my favorite color. What do you think? So you have underline the, sorry, not underline, circle the, you have already circled the connectors. Here three connectors are there, here and, but, or. Now circle the connectors in the sentence given below. Down some sentences are there. You have to read the sentence and you have to circle the, you have to circle the connectors. You have to circle the connectors. Now, my favorite color are green and brown. Which is the connector? And. So, circle and. Would you like tea or coffee? Here, OR. OR is the connector, so circle it. I wanted a puppy, but my brother wanted a cat. So, here, but is the connector. I wanted a puppy, but you circle it. My brother wanted a cat. She will go to Kashmir or Kerala for vacation. So here or is the connector. Circle that word. I want to go to the party, but I already have other plans. Here but you should circle. Okay. Next sentence. I like banana and you like apples. So and here and you should circle. Next word. Do you want to play football or hockey? Do you want to play football or hockey? Here or you should circle. It is the connector. Next. Ravi likes to read and write stories. Here and you should circle. Okay. Next sentence. Kavita is well but Samita is ill. Then here but is the connector. You circle but. Understand? Now open worksheet 18. Join the two sentences using the connector but. You should use the connector but and you have to join the sentence. Here two sentences they have given. You have to join these two sentences using but. Now, the dog loves to go for walks. The dog does not walk fast. So how do you connect? How will you use this sentence? See, you write down the dog loves to go for a walk but does not walk fast. The dog loves to go for a walk but the dog does not walk fast. Rita loves to travel. Rita loves to travel. Rita does not like packing. Rita loves to travel, but she does not like packing. Write down B here. Rita loves to travel, but she does not like packing. Next, Sonam eats meat. Sonam eats meat. Sonam does not eat fish. How to connect this one? These two sentences. Sonam, how to join this sentence? Sonam eats meat, but she does not eat fish. You should use but. I like big shop. My sister like a small shop. So you have to join this sentence. I like big shops, but my sister likes small shops. You write down. I like big shop, but my sister like small shop. So here you have joined two sentences using connector but. Now question number 2. Complete the following sentences by adding but or and. Either you should use but or you should use and. She stopped dash look at the sky. She stopped and look at the sky. You write here and first one. A N D N. She stopped and looked at the sky. Next one. She drinks milk dash eat fruit for breakfast. She drinks milk and eats fruit for breakfast. You write and. She drinks milk and eat fruit for breakfast. Next, he can play tennis. He can play tennis and golf very well. So write and. Right, and. Now next D1. I saw Rahul dash, he didn't see me. I saw Rahul but he didn't see me. You write but here. In this sentence you write but. D1. I saw Rahul but he didn't see me. It never rains in January. Dash, it did yesterday. So it never rains in January, but it did yesterday. Next sentence F1. She goes to work by car. She goes to work by car. Dash, I go by bus. Here but but I go by bus. But. Now I went home. I went home. Dash for the test. I went home and dash studied for the test. I went home and studied for the test. I went home and studied for the test. Open worksheet 25, page number 113. These two exercises you should do yourself. So children, today what we have learned? We have learned about connectors. What are connectors? Words that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing its meaning is called a connector. So there are connectors are and, but, or. When we use and when both the ideas exist and are of equal importance. Now but here it is used to connect unlike ideas. Or when it is used, it shows that there is only one choice or one option. So when it is like that, we will use or. So children, for today this much only. Thank you.